Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here from Ant's Drone, and it is sunset here in Chandler, Arizona. The sky is looking really crazy with lots of clouds, and today I'm gonna launch the Mavic 2 Pro. Okay guys, we just got done flying here, and Tori is checking out the hyperlapse she just caught. I'll give you guys a preview of it.
It's very short.
Alright. Yeah, I was gonna say only 25 frames, like that is really short. But you do have some cloud movement in there. That's really cool. Wow, tonight would have been a good night to do that with all these clouds.
Yeah, I should have stayed.
Yeah guys, tonight was a hyperlapse night, but you guys got footage instead. I mean, you got Tori's little hyperlapse, so that's good. But look at those clouds.
I know, I'm excited to look at some of the shots that I got.
We are about to go home, but I just want to thank you guys for watching, and to all the new subscribers on Ant's Drone, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. I'm doing this vlog for you because I had a couple of people reach out to me and say that they wanted to see me more and wanted to see me vlog. So I'm gonna start vlogging a lot more this summer. I'm gonna be doing a lot of things. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to the channel if you're not, because I'm gonna have a lot more drone videos. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.